Had you ever wondered why chefs trim the crust from aged beef before cooking? Dry aging meat involves a process where certain fungal species grow on its exterior, forming an external crust that must be trimmed off for cooking. This crust can enhance flavor but isn't edible. The process of trimming involves removing the outer layer to reveal a pillowy, tender interior. This step is crucial for maintaining the integrity and flavor profile of the meat. Traditionally, chefs trim off the crust to highlight the rich, buttery, toasty, and cheesy flavors inherent in well-aged meats. This ensures a clean flavor without any unwanted mold. Trimming not only affects the taste but also enhances the presentation of dishes, turning simple sandwiches into, in turn, luxurious culinary experiences with aesthetic appeal. The practice of trimming extends beyond meat to bread and other food items. For instance, trimming the crust off bread can elevate its texture and make it more versatile for various dishes. By understanding this process, we appreciate the meticulous steps involved in food preparation that significantly affect our dining experience, ensuring every bite is a pleasure. So there you have it. Trimming off crusts can transform an ordinary meal into something extraordinary. What other food preparation tips would you like to learn about? Drop your ideas in the comments.